Okay, so I'm gonna try and clean up that little spot right there. And then I'm gonna try and weld it. I figured, at first I was a little scared to do it, but then I figured, you know what's the worst I can do? Make the hole bigger. So I'm gonna try it myself, and if it works, great. If not, then I still have to take it to a muffler shop. All right, that looks a lot cleaner up in there. So hopefully I'll be able to just put a little bit of weld on there, crank up the welder, see what I can do.